Hi, my name is Jeremy Brune and I like to share a good thing. For woodworkers like me who operate in a small workspace, the storage of power tools, and in my case the many routers that I own, is always a problem. Now, keeping all the router bits and pieces together is a discipline, and manufacturers' designated heavy-duty plastic cases do the job, but because they are different shapes and sizes, it makes stacking rather difficult. I must say I particularly like this square-cornered box. I suppose it's called a cuboid technically, and this box was first used by DeWalt for their routers. I obtained a few recently from Trend, and I just like the versatility of the box because you can stack them easily. It gives me options where to store my tools, such as under the bench. I might even kit one of these boxes out to store my cutters. It would be heavy, but these boxes are sturdy. Thanks for watching.